Now let us move to the second stanza of the poem, A Lecture Upon the Shadow by John Donne. Accept our loves at this noon stay, we shall new shadows make the other way, as the first were made to blind others, these which come behind. We'll work upon ourselves and blind our eyes, if our loves faint and westwardly decline. To me thou falsely thine, and I to thee mine actions shall disguise. Now the poet presents a condition. Except. This expression shows that the poet is presenting a condition and proclaims that if the lovers love will continue to prosper, grow, then we will together create new shadows of our love, and we will impart new definitions and meanings to our love. Accept our loves at this noon stay. And as I told you, at noon time the love is at its highest point. So the poet is saying accept means he is giving he is putting a condition that if we can keep our love at the highest level, the noon level, we can make new meanings in the life. We can give new meanings to our love. Further, the poet says that the noon shadows that will be created by us will blind us, because the shadows were in front of us. That is, only we will be able to truly understand the depth and meaning of our love. The poet here is trying to convey that noon shadows are not only symbolic of the loss of physical charm, means now this love is not limited to physical love, means they like each other for their body only, no, but also the persistence of the care and feeling that lovers have towards each other even after losing their physical attractiveness. Now this love is permanent. It is not limited to the physical attraction only. In this way, their love will continue to enhance and prosper, enhance and grow. Now the poet continues to present a second condition. What was the first condition? Accept our loves at this noon stay. Accept our loves at this noon stay. This was the first condition, that we have to maintain the highest level of the love. Now the second condition. What is the second condition? If our loves faint and westwardly decline. So what will happen if it goes? The poet says that if the love between him and his beloved declines, just like the decline of sun in the westward direction, okay, then in that case he and his beloved will not remain true to each other. And it happens in many relationships that there is a breakup, and sometimes we can't believe. You know about so many relationships in celebrities where we can't believe that, oh my god, the relationship has broken up, because people have to work very hard to maintain the relationship at its highest level. So the poet is putting the second condition: if our love faint and westwardly decline, so what will happen? Both the lovers will become oblivious to each other. Oblivious to each other means they will try to forget each other. They will for each other they will become insignificant. So again he is saying to the beloved that it is our duty to maintain this relationship by doing hard. Now let us talk about the concluding lines of the poem, A Lecture Upon Shadow by John Donne. The morning shadows wear away, but these grow longer all the day. But oh, love's day is short if love decay. Love is a growing or full constant light, and his first minute after noon is night. So in the concluding lines, the poet says that there is an initial stage or a beginning in the lives of the lovers, which is symbolized by the morning shadows, and then their love goes through the duration of noon, in which their love is at its height, Moreover, when they begin to form shadows at the noon, then they begin to lose their physical charm. But according to the poet, love between the lovers shall continue to prosper if they are engrossed in a state of togetherness beyond physicality. Means the poet is recommending a love beyond physical attraction. If at any point of the relationship it occurs to any of the lovers that the other's body charm, physical charm is declining, that love is going to end. So the poet is saying that the lovers should grow their relationship beyond physical attraction. However, the moment the lovers become indifferent and disloyal to each other, their love will go through decay, and gradually their love is bound to come to an end. Towards the closer of the poem, Donne highlights love as a growing and full constant light. That is, love keeps enhancing and growing in intensity. Donne says that if there is any decline in the light of this love, then there is end of the day of love, and the lovers are compelled to go through the death of their love. This makes the lovers confront night, which is symbolic of the darkness that comes in the lives of the lovers due to the death of their love. So the lovers should try very hard to maintain their relationship at the highest level, otherwise their love will come to an end, because in that case love's life is very short. So whatever John Donne has talked about the relationship of love, it is true about the other relationship also, that we need to maintain our relationship by doing real hard work.